So today I would like to show you how to do the massage on the eye area, how to take care of the closed feet, the eye bag and the dark circle, and then the drippy eyelid. So I'm going to share my daily massage techniques with you. So before I do the massage, what I'm going to do, I applying a little dual moisture and motion on around the area, the eye area I'm going to massage, because keeping the skin not dehydrated is the key that we don't form wrinkle. So I apply this hydrator on the area I'm going to massage. So make sure that you cover this area. And the second product I use will be only a couple drops of the hydroxychloroquine oil. So you apply a little bit on your finger, then you put it on your finger, then you apply on the area you're going to do the massage. So the first I'm going to do will be the closed feet massage. So you use your ring finger and then you put it on the end of your eye and you start to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we cover the whole area of the eye. So the second movement I'm going to do will be for the eye bag. So I put the finger, still, the ring finger on the eye. The top of the eye, there are 3 pressure points over there. So I will follow the eye bag, and then a little bit pressure all the way and push all the way to the end. Come back again. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You just need to follow the bone structure over there. 7, 8, 9, all the way to the end of the eye. 10. So this movement is to help the eye bag, the puffy eye. So when you massage it, you can drain out all those puffiness. So you see, even at my age, I'm 71, you don't see that I have eye bag because I really do this massage every night. So the third movement will be the top of the eye. So let's using the middle finger and then go 1, 2, 3. So you put it on your eyelid, the area, and then you follow, and then you push all the way to your hairline. 4, 5. Just really push all the way to your hairline, and then you hold it there a little bit. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is the area, a lot of people concern is the drippy eyelid on the skin from dry, and the skin tends to get drippy. So the movement is help you to massage them and then pull this up all the way to your hairline. This movement can help the drippiness in here. So the third movement will be on the top of your eyebrow. 1, again, you push to your hairline. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after that, then another movement, what you're going to do, you use this 2 finger, you put it in here, and then you massage it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This massage, you can do it anytime. Sometimes when your eye gets very tired, you work so much on the computer, on your phone, so your eye get really tired. So you can just do this movement for 10 times and you feel that you recover a lot of tiredness on your eye area. So now pretty much we can take care of the eye bag, and one area there for the pressure point to take care of the eye bag is right under the eye, is right under your eye bag area. And this is a pressure point to take care of the eye bag. You just like circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10. So then you move your finger a little bit downward. It's like in your cheek area in here. This area is a pressure point to take care dark circle. So you do this movement again 10 times. You circle it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So pretty much now the eye area massage is finished. The last step, what you're going to do, you're rubbing your hand, make your hand warm, and then you use to cover up the whole eye area in here, and then holding the drippy eyelid and push it all the way to the hair. 1. See, you cover it, you rub your hand, and using your hand will get warm, you have a lot of chi, and you're holding the whole eye. Don't be careful, don't push your eyeball. And then you're holding this whole skin here and push it all the way to your hairline. 3 times, this is 3. 4, 5, So this movement help the drippy eyelid a lot. You're just holding the skin, using this area, holding your skin and push it all the way to your hairline. If you're concerned the drippy muscle here is drippy, they are coming down. And then sometimes, when like we get older, have so much skin, people need to do the surgery because they cover up the eyelid. So this is a movement will help a lot. 6, 7. So you are not only massaging your eyelid, actually you're massaging your whole forehead too, with the wrinkle, if you have concern about that. 8, 9, 10. So pretty much, you cover the whole area. You cover the midbrow, you cover the crow's feet, and you cover the eye bag, the dark circle, and then your eyelid. Okay, after I finish this massage, I finish already. I apply a little Relax eye gel on because I just need a little bit. And I apply on this. This overall can take care of all the concern what I got. So then this massage is finished. Thanks for watching.